Sosh, first league game in 16 months on Saturday. How are you feeling about it?
Yeah, looking forward to it. Like I say, it's come early but not. You know, we waited a long time. I see the season started a lot earlier this year, so the weather conditions have been unbelievable. So, but we're looking forward to it. It's going to be a good feeling to get back and playing league football again.
You were saying about the weather the last Saturday. It was sweltering conditions. It's looking like it's going to be chucking it down on this Saturday coming. Is that going to affect play? Or?
Well, I think the lads will be happy about it. I think, to be fair, Saturday second half, I think both teams just, you know, it looked really tired, heat conditions, and not playing a long time. So I think we'll be looking forward to a bit of rain.
Just going on Saturday as well, has that boosted confidence in camp, or is that?
Yeah, like I said, we had a young team out. You know, still got plenty of injuries. So it's giving lads minutes under the belt. So it's only a plus for us, really.
You saying about injuries there? Is there anyone back for Saturday, or is it still the same?
Crowder will be back. Jay Crowder, he was suspended because of the League Cup, so he's now available for Saturday. So he'll be another addition to us.
And lastly, we've just had the draw for the second round of the Nathaniel MG Cup as well. Drawn Buckley. How do you feel about that one on the initial thoughts?
Yeah, it's going to be a good game, local derby. We're at home again, so that's all we asked for. So quite pleased.